For years, compact cameras have been judged by what they couldn't do. They were considered convenient, lightweight, and easy to carry, but rarely viewed as serious filmmaking tools. If creators wanted professional image quality, they were expected to carry a mirrorless camera, a collection of lenses, a gimbal, and several accessories. DJI has spent the last few generations challenging that assumption, and now the company appears ready to push the concept even further. According to a growing number of industry leaks, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P could become the most capable pocket-sized camera DJI has ever produced, bringing professional-level features into a device that still fits comfortably in one hand. Unlike many product launches that remain tightly guarded until announcement day, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P has been surrounded by rumors for months. Prototype units have reportedly been spotted during field testing, insiders have shared details about the camera's hardware, and several reports have offered an increasingly consistent picture of what DJI may be preparing. While none of this information has been officially confirmed, the volume of leaks suggests that development is well advanced and that an official unveiling may not be far away. The rumored launch schedule has become one of the biggest talking points. Current reports indicate DJI is aiming to introduce the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P around the middle of 2026. Although the company has not announced a specific event, industry observers believe the timing makes strategic sense. Competition in the compact creator camera market is becoming stronger every year, and several rival products are expected to arrive around the same period. By introducing a premium version of the Pocket series, DJI could strengthen its position before competitors gain momentum. Pricing appears to reflect that premium positioning. Multiple reports estimate a launch price of approximately $730. That places the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P well above the standard Pocket model, but the expected feature set indicates DJI is targeting a more advanced audience. Rather than serving as an entry-level content creation camera, the Pro version appears designed for creators who regularly produce professional quality videos and require greater creative control. Availability could vary depending on where you live. Reports suggest that Europe and many Asian markets are expected to receive the camera without major obstacles. The United States, however, may present additional challenges because of ongoing regulatory issues affecting newly introduced DJI products. At this stage, nothing has been officially confirmed, but current information suggests international markets are likely to receive priority if the launch proceeds as expected. The hardware itself is where the rumors become particularly interesting. DJI reportedly plans to retain the large imaging sensor used in the standard Pocket series while expanding its capabilities through several meaningful upgrades. Rather than redesigning the entire imaging system from scratch, the company appears focused on adding creative flexibility that experienced filmmakers have been requesting. One of those improvements is the addition of a variable aperture lens. Current leaks suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P may feature an adjustable aperture ranging from approximately f1.7 to f2.8. This may sound like a relatively small change, but it dramatically increases creative possibilities. A wide aperture allows more light to reach the sensor, improving low light performance while creating smoother background blur for interviews and cinematic close-ups. Narrowing the aperture increases depth of field, making it easier to keep landscapes or group shots sharp from front to back. For a pocket-sized camera, offering this level of optical control would represent a significant step forward. The most exciting rumor, however, involves a completely new secondary lens. According to multiple sources, DJI may introduce a dedicated telephoto camera equivalent to approximately 70mm with true 3x optical zoom. Unlike digital zoom, which enlarges an existing image and often reduces quality, optical zoom preserves the sensor's full resolution. This gives creators two genuinely different perspectives without changing cameras or carrying additional lenses. The creative advantages are obvious. A filmmaker could begin with a wide establishing shot before instantly switching to a tighter composition that isolates the subject. Travel creators could capture distant landmarks without sacrificing image quality. Documentary filmmakers could film natural moments from farther away, while portrait creators could benefit from the flattering compression traditionally associated with longer focal lengths. Simply adding a telephoto lens dramatically expands what a pocket-sized camera can accomplish. Video performance also appears to receive major attention. Industry reports indicate the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P may support recording at up to 6K resolution and 60 frames per second. High-speed recording at 4K and 240 frames per second is also widely rumored, providing creators with exceptional slow-motion capabilities while maintaining excellent image quality. Such recording options would move the Pocket series much closer to professional filmmaking equipment than previous generations. Dynamic range is another specification generating excitement. Several reports suggest DJI may achieve approximately 17 stops of dynamic range, allowing the camera to retain significantly more detail across bright skies, reflective surfaces, and deep shadows. For filmmakers who regularly grade their footage, additional dynamic range provides far greater flexibility during editing and helps preserve image quality under difficult lighting conditions. Supporting these recording modes may be an updated D-Log color profile. Log recording captures additional tonal information by preserving highlight and shadow detail that might otherwise be lost in standard recording modes. If DJI introduces a refined version of D-Log with improved color handling, editors will gain greater freedom to shape the final look of their projects while maintaining cleaner image quality throughout the grading process. For creators who value portability without wanting to compromise on image quality or creative flexibility, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases of the year. If DJI delivers the features currently being discussed, it could establish a new benchmark for compact filmmaking equipment and further demonstrate that professional creative tools no longer need to be large, heavy, or complicated to produce outstanding results.